Good morning, or at least good morning whenever I'm making this video. If it's a different time for you, good afternoon, good evening, or possibly good night. However, it's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, back again today talking about what is Dopa Mucuna. Let's get into this one. So Dopa Mucuna, also known as Mucuna Pruriens or velvet beans, are beans that are grown from a tree that is mostly found in the tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Dopa Mucuna has been used for over 1,000 years for various medicinal purposes, including fighting off age-related cognitive decline like Alzheimer's, Parkinsons, and things like that. So the main active constituent that has been studied in Dopa Mucuna that is associated with the various benefits this plant has to offer is L-Dopa. L-Dopa is a precursor to dopamine and has been shown to have a dramatic impact on sexual and reproductive health, age-related cognitive decline, such as Alzheimer's, Parkinsons, decreases in prolactin and other stress hormones, and an overall increase in the individual's well-being who's supplementing with this. Dopa Mucuna can be found as a bean. It's kind of dangerous though because the outside of the bean can make you pretty itchy because it actually has serotonin on the outside of it as a protective mechanism. So you want to make sure to get it as a supplement in most cases. So the easiest and most potent way to get this ingredient is going to be with supplementation. Using a supplement that is around 20% L-Dopa is going to be the most effective. The best doses for this ingredient is around 400 to 600 milligrams. We actually have a Mucuna Pruriens here at UMZU that you can try out. It's really effective. I love taking this one. My cognition goes through the roof whenever I supplement with Dopa Mucuna. All of the studies show that you have to supplement for at least 12 weeks to see the significant benefits. However, you can see some subtle benefits in the short term. So if you want to try that out, please hit the link in the description, umzu.com, and go check that out. But that's all I got for this one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you learned something, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with tons of content for you guys. I love putting out information for y'all to learn. And speaking of, if y'all have anything that y'all want me to talk about, please comment down below. And if you have anything that I can do better, if you have any suggestions that I can do something better for y'all, please comment that down below as well. I want to make these videos as good as possible for you guys, and I'm always trying to up my game. So if y'all want to see something different, let me know, and I'll try and do my best. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.